The Wagers by Shawn Michaels is a wonderful novel that follows the life of Theo Poitras, a grocer and a comedian, and after 15 years of the open mic, he still has yet to make a big break. After his niece won a fortune at the horse tracks, he decided to quit his dreams to become a big comedian, and he joined an international gambling operation called the Rabbit's Foot, which carefully studies correlations and probability to discover an outcome of an event. He later met the vigilante gang No Name, whose purpose is to steal luck from those who hoard it. It's a wonderful story that began with a failing life to a fantastical search of those who hoard luck. The recurrent theme in the novel is greed, and throughout human histories, people have always been greedy and never knew when to stop. For example, Mitsu, the leader of the Rabbit Foot organization, continues to gain money through knowing the outcome of events. They would gamble and continue on gambling and never stop. She never cared about her employees, but only if they actually bring money into the company. From a Marxist perspective, she represents the bourgeoisie who become greedy for more money and they do not care about their own employees, but only if they can help increase their wealth. Another example of a person with greed is Daniel Merritt Lays. He used to be an unknown bookmaker who became very successful after publishing an award-winning novel and winning the lottery. The reason why this happened is because he bought a large stash of luck. He uses this luck to exploit his world and become incredibly wealthy. And this represents how an upper class abuse their powers to take more privileges from the lower class. Finally, we have Zed Largo. Zed Largo is the richest person in the novel, and he has a huge stash of luck in which he would sell to those who can afford it. From a Marxist point of view, he represents those who are only willing to help those who are in the same class. He ignores the unfortunate and the poor, but will assist those who can pay for it. In conclusion, The Wagers is a wonderful novel that describes the socio-economic inequalities of the modern era. Shawn Michaels criticizes how the rich often becomes greedy and will seek methods to increase their wealth without regard for those who truly need it. Therefore, bourgeoisies like Daniel Merritt Lays and Zed Largo should not focus on abusing their cash of luck, but distribute it to those who truly need it.